Hi everyone. Welcome to the very first video of my Python crash course. My name is Kushal and I'm so excited to start this journey with you. This course is for absolute beginners, so don't worry if you have never written a single line of code before. I will guide you step by step, starting from scratch and building up to advanced concepts. Whether you are a student aiming to crack placements or someone who just wants to learn Python for fun, and this course is for you. Python is one of the most beginner friendly and powerful programming languages, making it perfect for learning programming as well as solving real world problems. So, now let's get started. What is Python about? So, before we dive into the course content, let's take a moment to understand what Python is and why it's so popular. Python is a beginner friendly programming language. So, meaning it's easy to learn and understand even if you have no prior programming experience. It's a versatile programming language that's used in a wide variety of fields, such as it's used in web development, so where we build websites and web applications. It's used in data science, where we analyze and visualize data to uncover the insights. It's used in automation, writing scripts to automate repetitive tasks which are being performed, used in artificial intelligence and machine learning, building intelligent systems like chatbots and recommendation engines. Because of its simplicity and flexibility, Python is widely used by students as well as lot many working professionals. Now let's try to understand why we learn Python. Now you might ask, why should I learn Python? Here are few reasons. The first one, I would say Python is very simple. Python's syntax is very easy to read as well as write, so making it the perfect language for beginners. Python is powerful despite its simplicity. Python is incredibly powerful and can handle complex tasks from data analysis to AI development. Python has large community, a massive community of developers, meaning you'll always find support, resources, and tools to help you learn as well as grow. If you are stuck at any point, there is always an answer online. For students preparing from placements, Python is especially valuable. It's used in coding interviews for its readability and speed, helping you focus on solving problems rather than worrying about the syntax is about. So now let's see what is this course about. Let's have the course overview. Here's what you will learn in this crash course. So we'll be learning basics of Python. We'll start with the fundamentals, how to write your first program, variables, data types, loops, functions, etc. etc. This will lay the groundwork for everything else we learn. So next comes problem solving. You will learn how to approach and solve coding problems, which is a critical skill for placements. So we'll solve plenty of examples to improve your logic as well as understanding. So we'll try to learn data structures and algorithms for placement preparation, mastering concepts like arrays, linked list, trees, graphs, searching, sorting algorithms are very much essential. So we learn these steps all one by one. So apart from these three, we'll also try to see as future of our course where we learn some real world applications as well as some mock coding problems. So that's all something about this video. In the next video, so we'll start by installing Python and set up our coding environment as well as editor.